Hi guys, welcome back to another tutorial video. So in today's video, I'll show you how to create AI videos using ChatGPT. So if you want to turn ideas into videos using AI, just follow along. First, open ChatGPT on your phone and then start a new chat. Now the first step is to create a script. You can type something like write a viral YouTube short script and how to fix slow phone internet. ChatGPT will then generate a ready-to-use script for your video. Next, you can refine it by asking, make it shorter for a 30-second video or make it more engaging. After you have your script, you can move to the video creation part. Use an AI video tool like CapCut, Canva, or any AI video generator. Paste your script into the tool and choose a video or a style. Then add visuals, stock clips, or AI generated images to match your script. You can also use AI voice tools to turn your script into a voiceover if needed. After that, add background music, captions, and effects to make the video more engaging. Once everything is ready, export your video in high quality and upload it to YouTube Shorts, TikTok, or Instagram. So that was how to create AI videos using ChatGPT. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe for more helpful tutorials. Thank you for watching.